The election of 1824 tested the transition of power established in the United States by the Constitution. No candidate received enough electoral votes to win the election. The U.S. House of Representatives then voted to select the next president as established by the 12th Amendment. The collapse of the Federalist Party was one of the reasons that no candidate received the necessary electoral votes. The Democratic Republicans were really the only political party in the United States during the election of 1824. Although many of the founding fathers, including George Washington, warned about the dangers of political parties. The lack of more than one political party set the stage for the election results. This election helped to break apart the Democratic-Republican Party. There were 4 major candidates in the election from the Democratic Republicans. These candidates represented a wide range of political ideas within the Democratic-Republican Party. They split the vote throughout the different states, and this prevented one candidate from receiving enough votes to win the election. Different candidates enjoyed support in different parts of the country. The Electoral College is the group that is responsible for electing the President of the United States. This process is used to prevent separation between state governments and the federal government, separation between the legislative branch and the executive branch, and to help include the smaller states in the election. It also helped to serve as a safeguard against a candidate fooling the American population, a problem the Founding Fathers worried about. The Electoral College is made up of electors. When a person votes for a candidate, they are actually voting for electors that will elect that candidate. Each state has a different amount of electors based on their population. A majority of electors are needed to win the presidency. No one candidate received this majority in the election of 1824. The 12th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution then called for the U.S. House of Representatives to choose the president. They chose John Quincy Adams.